Hello my dear students, welcome to the class. So today we are here with the continuation of the chapter and the end part of the chapter, okay, urbanization. So in this chapter we have discussed about many things related to urbanization and about the satellite cities. Today we are going to deal with the smart cities, okay. Now what are smart cities? A smart city is an urban region, okay. A smart city is an urban region with a highly advanced feature, okay, with a highly advanced infrastructure, okay, sustainable real estate, communication and market viability. So a smart city has all the maximum facilities what human being wants, okay, and these all infrastructure, sustainable real estate, communication and market viability are controlled by IT sector. IT means information technology sector. That means all are highly designed in such a way that everything is controlled with the help of computer. Is that clear? Now from where does this concept came in mind of world? So in 2008 when world was facing a very big economic crisis, okay, when world was facing a very big economic crisis, the IBM International Business Machine, okay, took the step that we will deal with the smart city, we will give the concept of smart city, and by 2009 it was adopted by the many of the countries of the world, okay, like, and after that many countries, many cities were made as a smart city. Like the top ranking cities in the world are New York, which is located in United States, London, United Kingdom, Paris in France, Boston in United States and San Francisco in United States again. So these are the worldwide ranking, first 5 ranking holder cities as a smart city. Now this concept was again developed in India, okay. Indian government took a bold initiative, okay, for creating smarter cities or smart cities in India, okay. So government started a new mission, smart city mission, okay. Government started a new mission to create smart cities in different parts of India. So in that new mission 20 cities were included, okay. In first plan 20 cities were included. What are that cities? That cities are Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat, Kochi, Ahmedabad, Jabalpur, Visakhapatnam, Solapur, Devangiri, Indore, New Delhi, Coimbatore, Kakinada, Belagiri, Udaipur, Guwahati, Chennai, Ludhiana and Bhopal. So these were the cities which were included, okay, for constructing smart cities, okay. They will be full with high technology, okay, in each and every sector, whether it is transport facilities, medical facilities or government services, each and every sector they will be provided with high tech facilities, that means information technology facilities, that means everything will be computerized, okay. Now what are the main basis? So they take an initiative for smart cities and they made a core infrastructure for smart cities, that what facilities a smart city must have, okay. So they are, number one, adequate water facility, okay, they should have adequate water facility. Next, assured electricity supply, okay. Next, sanitation facilities, a good drainage system, okay, for sanitation facility in terms of waste management, okay, disposable of waste, maybe it is liquid waste, okay, for through the drainage or for solid waste, okay. Now efficient urban mobility means in sense of transport. So transport should be efficient and mobile, there should not be any kind of traffic congestion, okay. Next, affordable housing, the person who are living over there in a smart city should have the good facilities of their house in a affordable range, okay, in a reasonable price. Next, robust IT connectivity and digitalization in each and every sector. What is meaning of robust? Robust means boosting, okay, encouraging IT connectivity and digitalization in each and every sector, okay. Next, e-governance and citizen participants, okay. What is e-governance? That means whatever the government is functioning the way, that should be related to the computer system, all things should be computerized, that is e-governance. Suppose if you want to know your voter ID or Aadhaar card, everything should be uploaded through internet. Is that clear? So that is e-government system. Next, sustainable environment should not be harmed. Maybe they are looking for their development or for their better life, but environment should not be harmed. Next, safety and security of the people of the people of that cities, okay, each and every people, whether that is woman, man, child, okay, or children, so that there should be secured, okay, the safety first. Next, a good facility of health and education, okay. Number one facility, that is health is our wealth, okay. So a good facility of health and education must be there in a smart city. Is that clear? Now there are certain challenges faced by Indian government to make smart cities, because countries like India, everyone wants benefit, okay, everyone is running towards smart. If a smart city is created, okay, if a smart city is created, that time everyone is running towards the smart city, okay, to get all the benefits. So the city is getting overcrowded or overpopulated. So and this makes the lack of energy sources of that region, okay, lack of energy sources of that region. So this is creating problem. Is that clear? So that's the end of the chapter. Hope you understood well. Thank you very much, student.